welcome to this tutorial about how to host a static website on Contabo's S3 compatible object storage. Static websites consist of fixed content, primarily using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The content of these websites remain constant unless manually updated by the website owner. Preparation. Before diving into the actual process of hosting a static website on Contabo's object storage, set up your Contabo account and order an object storage. Also, prepare your website files, including HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. Ensure they are organized and ready for upload. For testing purposes, we will use a simple Hello World website written in HTML without any CSS or JavaScript. Here's the source code for our example website. Configuring the object storage for web hosting. To get started, log in into your Contabo account and select Object Storage. In the Object Storage dashboard, go ahead and create a bucket. This is the container where your website files will be stored. Make sure to choose a unique and descriptive name. I will name it Website. Now upload your website files. In our case, just the HTML file. You might want to use subfolders if your website consists of more than just one simple file. To make it a publicly accessible website, you need to change the setting of your just created bucket. Under Quick Actions, you will find Public Sharing. Flick the switch to make it public and hit Confirm. After everything has been uploaded, select Public Sharing for your index.html again. Here you will find the full URL that will lead to your website. If you want to learn how to make this URL more professional, check out our full guide on our blog. There you will find instructions on how to set up a custom domain for your website. The link to our full guide can be found in the description. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss the next tutorials.